on that forecast. It feels like a bit of a rinse and repeat here, Kelly, with this early rain.
It is, yeah, compared to yesterday. We saw about the same thing. A quick look out to the coast. It is raining heavily out there. That is Seaside right now. You can see that in the lamppost. Just a soggy start for the coastline. We are seeing rain showers in Portland as well. We are seeing some wet roadways too. So we'll keep these showers in place across the morning. Then we dry out again into the afternoon, very similar to our Monday. We are tracking another weak atmospheric river. The one last week that brought some flooding across the coast and up in areas of Washington was more of a moderate strength atmospheric river, but it will still send a big plume of heavy moisture to areas of Washington. It will also clip portions of the North Oregon coast. So there are spots we are watching for flooding. We do have a flood watch up in areas of Washington, Cowlitz County included in that. But notice the rain setting up now across the valley. We are seeing that up and down the I-5 corridor out to Salem, some pockets of heavier rain. We're getting rain showers around Portland as well, and out towards the coastline. Heavy pockets of rain around Tillamook up to Astoria at this point in the morning. Now, forecast rain totals through today. Models are keeping Astoria and portions of the northern coast in that heavy rain. Notice how that city may see about an inch and a quarter by the end of the day. Real bullseye rain stays up north, though. Notice how areas of Washington and mainly across the peninsula could see close to 2, maybe even 4 inches of rain. Meanwhile, down in our area, we'll see light rain today, and a lot of that coming across the morning hours. So that rain starts to shift up towards the north. Come Thursday, we'll track another round of some light rain here in Portland, but that's about it. Much of this week staying dry. We'll see our first dry day on Wednesday. Again, a few more showers Thursday before we get a nice dry stretch of days. So your days to go outside, get those outdoor errands done, that housework done, will be Friday through the weekend. We'll even get some sun breaks. I do want to mention the coast may see some blustery conditions, some wind gusts up to 30 for much of the coastline, but further north, Cannon Beach and then up to Long Beach, Washington, we could see some wind gusts closer to 45 miles per hour. Again, gusting throughout the afternoon and evening. So here's our future cast. There's a look at that atmospheric river sending a lot of moisture towards the north, really clipping areas of the peninsula, but also including spots of the North Oregon coast. Portland remains mainly dry. Same goes for Wednesday too. We'll see another dry day as that moisture stays up towards the north. Then Thursday we track a quick weather system. A cold front will swing on through across the morning hours and we'll see more rain that then tapers off. Friday and this weekend we're under high pressure and that'll bring us some dry conditions. So today morning showers that will track. We do dry out this afternoon. Highs today in the low to mid 50s around Beaverton, Lake Oswego today 54 degrees. And in Portland today on the east sides we'll also see those temperatures spanning the low to mid 50s. Up north, I do see more persistent, more widespread showers, mainly north of the I-5 corridor, north of Vancouver, that is. Temperatures today in the low 50s. So here's your 7-day forecast. Really a nice week ahead. Those showers taper today. We get a dry day on Wednesday. Few more showers to watch on Thursday, then a beautiful stretch of days with plenty of sun breaks. Our temperatures likely staying on either side of 50 degrees heading into the weekend.
All right, thanks, Kelly. 6:20 right now.